Gentlemen, if you're over 60 and looking for one simple addition to your diet that can protect your prostate, sharpen your mind, and support your heart health, all at the same time, you'll want to hear this. Today, we're talking about flax seeds and why these tiny nutritional powerhouses deserve a place in every senior man's daily routine. Stay with us to discover how just 1 tablespoon a day can make a real difference in your health. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical health tips made especially for men over 60. Friends, when it comes to simple foods that deliver big benefits, flax seeds are truly remarkable. These small, humble seeds pack a powerful punch that directly targets the health concerns most senior men face. Let's explore why flax seeds should become part of your daily health habit. Let's start with what matters most to many men: prostate health. Flax seeds are rich in compounds called lignans, which act as natural hormone balancers in the body. For men over 60, this is especially valuable because these plant compounds help maintain healthy prostate function. Think of flax seeds as having a calming, balancing effect on your hormonal system. They support overall prostate wellness, and many men notice improvements in urinary comfort and frequency after adding flax seeds to their diet. The best part? You don't need much. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons a day can make a meaningful difference. Now let's talk about something every man thinks about as he gets older: cancer prevention. Multiple studies have shown promising results linking flax seeds with a reduced risk of certain cancers. The same lignans that protect the prostate also appear to have protective effects against prostate and colon cancers. Here's how it works. The compounds in flax seeds act as antioxidants, protecting your cells from damage that can lead to cancer. They also help your body flush out toxins more efficiently. While no single food can guarantee cancer prevention, making flax seeds a regular part of your diet is a smart and proactive step toward long-term health. When we talk about healthy aging, we're really talking about maintaining quality of life as the years go by. Flax seeds support this in powerful ways. Their anti-inflammatory properties can ease joint stiffness and discomfort, while the healthy fats nourish your skin and help maintain youthful elasticity. But that's not all. The fiber in flax seeds supports digestive regularity, which becomes more important as our systems naturally slow down with age. This unique combination of benefits makes flax seeds a true ally in your journey to stay active, comfortable, and healthy through your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Your heart also deserves the best protection, and flax seeds deliver. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds help maintain healthy cholesterol levels, already in the normal range. They also support flexible blood vessels, which is key to keeping blood pressure steady. The soluble fiber in flax seeds works like a natural sponge in your digestive system, helping to manage cholesterol absorption. In fact, studies show that regular flaxseed consumption can significantly improve cardiovascular health markers. For men over 60, when heart health matters more than ever, this makes flax seeds an especially valuable addition to your diet. Mental sharpness is priceless at any age, but it becomes even more important as we grow older. The omega-3s in flax seeds are crucial for maintaining brain cell structure and function. Think of them as premium fuel for your brain. They help keep your thinking clear and your memory sharp. And the benefits don't stop there. The anti-inflammatory properties of flax seeds also protect your brain cells from age-related decline. Many men who add flax seeds to their daily routine report better focus and mental clarity. In today's world, where staying mentally sharp is so important, this benefit alone makes flax seeds worth including in your diet. The best part? Flax seeds are incredibly easy to use. Ground flax seeds mix perfectly into oatmeal, smoothies, yogurt, even a simple glass of water. Start with 1 tablespoon a day, and you can gradually increase to 2. Just remember to drink plenty of water, because the fiber works best when you stay well hydrated. Store your flax seeds in the fridge to keep them fresh, and always choose ground flax seeds over whole seeds. Your body can absorb the nutrients much more effectively this way. At the end of the day, flax seeds offer senior men a simple, affordable way to support multiple aspects of their health at once. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to give flax seeds a try, let us know in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more health tips designed especially for men over 60.